Today's story is called Look Up by Nathan Bryan. Every night before bed, I set my telescope and look up at the stars. Mum tells me that I never stop looking up, and my head is always floating in the clouds. But she can't tell me that I look up more than my big brother, Jamal. He looks down at his phone all the time. Which is best, to look up at the stars or look at your phone all day? Jamal says I'm called Rocket because I've got fiery breath. Mum says it's because I'm a famous rocket blasted off into space the day I was born. All I know is that one day I'm going to be the greatest astronaut, star catcher, space traveller who's ever lived. And like Mae Jemison, the first African American woman into space. Did you know that Mae Jemison went into orbit around the space shuttle Endeavour, even though she was scared of heights? Wow, that's very impressive. I'm totally prepared. I defied gravity, captured rare and exotic life forms, and built a ship to the stars. For today's mission, I'm going to see something incredible. The Pheonix meteor shower. Wow. I want everyone to see it with me, so I've made some flyers to hand out. She is very keen on space. There she is. Defying gravity, building a space rocket, and now she's seeing the Pheonix meteor shower. What's a meteor shower? I think it's rocks falling through space. Jamil is going to take me to the park to see the meteor shower, but first we have to go to the supermarket. While he's looking for milk, I try and find some astronaut food. Did you know meteor showers happen when the Earth moves through a trail of dust left by a comet? I didn't know that. There we go. So the Earth is going through a trail of dust left by a comet. Yeah. I've noticed something in this picture. Have a look. What is it? What is, apart from one person, apart from Rocket, what is everybody else doing? That's right, they're all looking down at their phone. If you look down at your phone, you miss what's going on around you. Did you know most meteors are smaller than a grain of sand? I didn't know that. Did you know meteors are bits of dust burning in the atmosphere? Interesting. Did you know the best time to see a meteor shower is when it's dark and there's no clouds? In the supermarket, when Kathy the cashier isn't looking, I grab the microphone. Oh dear, what's Rocket going to do? Tonight, come out and witness the amazing Pheonix meteor shower. Everyone looks. Kathy takes the microphone back, and I hand out my flyers to everyone in the queue. I think Jamil might be a bit cross with me. Yeah. All Rocket wants is to let everyone know there's a meteor shower, because it's such an amazing thing to see. The Pheonix meteor shower will come soon. We better drop off the shopping and get to the park fast. Splash! Oops. Oh no. What's happened? He's got absolutely soaked. Ha ha. They wouldn't have happened to you had you looked up. He's looking at his phone again. Now Jamil is even more cross with me, and he says he won't take me to the park anymore. Oh dear. But when we get home, Mum saves the day. Come on, Jamal, she says. Put the phone down and take your little sister to the park. Yes, I jump up and do my famous victory dance around the house. Yeah. I grab my jetpack rucksack, and Jamal is still glued to his game. Wait till I've completed this level, Rocket, he grumbles. As we're about to leave, the doorbell rings. Wowzers! Everyone's here, and they're all holding my flyer. To the park! I yell at the top of my lungs. We're all so excited. Well done. Rocket's got everyone excited about the meteor shower. My neck is aching from staring up into the sky, but I won't stop. I can't miss it. Suddenly, the park goes silent. Even the birds hold their breath. Everyone points their telescopes and binoculars at the sky. I think I see one. Now, Jamal has been looking at his phone the whole time. Do you think he will carry on looking at his phone or stop so he can see the amazing meteor shower? I hope so. But it's just a plane. Everyone moans and groans. We wait and wait and wait. It must be nearly time for the park to close. One by one, people start to go home. Oh, poor Rocket. Maybe the meteor shower was just a myth. Maybe that's what Jamal came to say. Everyone's upset for wasting their time. Poor Rocket. I've never, ever felt this sad before. Jamal looks at me for the first time. It feels like the first time ever. I've turned my phone off, sis, he says. I'm sorry for making you wait in the freezing cold, Jamal. Let's go home. Suddenly, there's a big, bright light in the sky. Look up! The Pheonix meteor shower. I'm speechless, Jamal says. He pulls out his flask and gives me a hot cup of hot chocolate. Yummy. We both sit on the hill, watching meteors zoom across the sky. Look at this. Fantastic. I'm so happy we looked up and saw them together. Did you know, one day I'm going to have a meteor shower named after me? Look at that beautiful picture. Snip, snap, snout. The story's out. I love that picture, that book. Now, if you love something, you should get other people to love it too. Get really excited about something, whether it's meteor showers or running or painting or anything that you really, really love. It's really good to be enthusiastic about it. What do you love doing? What are you passionate about? Thanks very much. Love that story. See you again soon. Bye-bye.